two, 1, 2, 3, let's go.
It's what everybody been waiting for.
Oh yeah.
I want you to know that it's starts. Once again with the ill behavior, can you feel it? Feel it?
You know this is mine.
DJ.
Pull up in that mother quick like swat, swat. Ballin' with the squad. All the homies got my back, though.
Sick with it, crew.
We're taking over the world.
Drop it, ready to set up the ride. Riding with my troops, I'm united, gathering souls. Speak up, roll up to my feelings, my nigga, let me hit it. Niggas be thugging, immortalized. Let's get high. It's the niggas you most desire. I can remember from way back in the day. Coming about the ghetto was a hell of a struggle for selling the fiend yo. But it was my dream to keep close, to put my people on another level. Now could it be for the lust, or could it be for the rush? My niggas love when they bust, they really bucking you dust. They out your dick in the dust. My niggas sweeping on the come up. Nigga killer, that's record shit. Defending, descending to a dawn of a new millennium. Anticipating life without Satan. Hating and all enemies to hell, I'm taking my
bit too much, but I like the way you feel and you touch, and I like the way you kiss and you cuss, and I love that it's not love, it's lust. Now baby, sit back and relax and think about the man that you with. I went from the block to the jet to the yacht, from being around keys to a house and the keys to the dock. I am what they not, I am what they wanna be. It's been like that since I handled the rock. I'm a seasoned vet, and when it comes to these women, I try to please them best. I'm not a player, baby. I just love. Now let's get into these freaky other things and make this a wonderful other things.